The benefits of selling your house for cash. Selling your house for cash can be a great way to get the most out of your home. By selling your house for cash, you can avoid many of the fees and commissions that come with selling a home through more traditional means. Also, this allows you to sell your home quickly and without having to make any repairs or staging it for showings. Selling your house for cash can be a great option if you need to sell your home quickly or if you don't want to deal with the hassle of dealing through a real estate agent. When you sell your house for cash, you'll be able to avoid many of the fees associated with selling a home and sell as is without having to make any repairs. This is an excellent option if you're looking to sell quickly and without any hassle. Here are the benefits of selling your house for cash. You don't have to make repairs. One of the great things about selling for cash is that you don't need to make any repairs. This can help you save money and need not to worry about the hassle of home selling process. If your house needs some work, it can be very expensive to fix it up before selling. With a cash sale, you can sell your house as is and don't need to worry about making any repairs. No need for Realtor. You don't need to use a Realtor when you sell your house for cash. This can save you a lot of money in commissions and fees. It also means that the sale can happen much faster without having to go through the process of listing your home and waiting for someone to make an offer. If you're looking to sell your home quickly and without any hassle, selling your house for cash home buyers is a great option. Many cash buyers like Eagle Cash Buyers will surely give you a great cash offer without going through the hassle of a traditional sale. They pay cash. You can receive a fair price for your home and have the sale go through quickly and smoothly. Quick and hassle-free transaction. Selling your house for cash is a great way to get a quick and hassle-free transaction compared to a traditional home sale. This is because you won't have to deal with any real estate agents or middlemen, and you can often get your money in as little as 7 days. Plus, you won't have to worry about repair, staging, or marketing your home, as you would if you were selling it on a traditional market. Not all cash buyers are reputable, which is why choosing one is an important decision. Hence, you can never go wrong with Eagle Cash Buyers. They will handle the closing and paperwork process for you. Cash sales tends to be as is. Get away with complicated marketing and closing costs. Selling your house for cash is the best way to avoid fees. These costs can add up quickly, and selling your home for cash means that you won't have to worry about them. This can save you a significant amount of money in the long run. Save time. You don't have to worry about making repairs or holding open houses. Also, selling your house for cash means you don't have to wait around for a buyer to be approved for a loan, which can take weeks or even months. Selling your house for cash also means you don't have to worry about the buyer backing out of the deal at the last minute, which can often happen when buyers are trying to secure a loan. When you sell your house for cash, the transaction is typically completed much faster than if you're selling through a real estate agent. This means you can move on with your life and put the house selling process behind you quickly. No home appraisal. When you sell your house for cash, there's no need for a home appraisal. This can save you time and money, as you will not have to pay for the service. Furthermore, selling your house for cash can help you speed up the selling process, as you will not have to wait for an appraisal to be completed before selling your house. Selling your house for cash can be a great option if you are looking to sell your house quickly and without any hassle. Conclusion. Selling your house for cash has many benefits, including saving you time and money. If you're looking to sell your home quickly and without any hassle, selling it for cash is a great option. There are many reputable cash buyers like Eagle Cash Buyers. They will give you a fair price for your home and help you through the sale process. Selling your house for cash is a great way to avoid having to pay marketing and closing costs, and you can often get your money in as little as 7 days. This can be a great option if you're looking to sell your home quickly and without any hassle.